Earlier we have designed a second order low pass filter, and now our objective is to design a second order low pass filter which is by using a control voltage. That means a voltage controlled second order low pass filter. Now the control voltage, we have used an analog multiplier IC provided by Texas Instruments, and it is the output of the analog multiplier IC, where this is the band pass output and this is the output of the control voltage, and here VR is the reference voltage which is used to be 10 volt. Now this is the circuit drawn by us, where we have used the multiplier block, and this is the band pass output and this is the control voltage output, and this is the output of the multiplier, and this is the DC regulated power supply we have used, where now we have kept 1 volt and we have recorded readings for 1 volt, 5 volt and 8 volt, and this is the control voltage by varying which we can vary the cutoff frequency of the low pass filter, and this is a very low frequency. This is a very low frequency where we have got the output in the CRO like this. Now if we change the cutoff frequency, and the output of the CRO also gets changed. Now the biggest problem in designing this circuit is that we have not have any idea about the analog multiplier IC or the voltage control low pass filter, which is completely new to us. But thanks to Texas Instruments, they have provided such an useful manual, such an useful video and a good manual book, so that we have learned a completely new concept from them. So thanks to them.